Welcome everyone to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at different thing, configuration of IP telephony, pocket tracer. So let's get to it. As you can see, we're running our pocket tracer, and this is how we're going to do our configuration of IP telephone. So the first thing after we opening it, so we have everything we need, our router, our switch, everything is there. So let's get started. Okay, what we're going to do, we have to come up with our router, or switch, and IP phones, two of them. I'm going to use two of them. So first of all, I'll be using 2811. Be using this one. Paste it here. Then let's go to our switch. Switches are here. Then switch, I'll use 2960. This is going to be my switch. And our telephone, IP telephone, you can pick this one, put it here. Another one, put it here. Then we're going to connect them now, join them together. Use this, the connector. Go to 00, ethanol 00, to our switch is 01. Then 02, ethanol 02, inside our phone into the switch. Then 03, ethanol 3, to our IP phone switch. Alright, as you can see here, we have all joined them together, but mind you, it's not working still. So we have to now configure. What we're going to do, we're going to start configuring with our router. We're going to configure our router. So we click our router, go to config, go to our interface, first Ethernet 00. So let's, in order for us to configure, we have to put our IP address. Okay, I'm going to use 192.168.1.1. That's good. Then our subnet mask, 255.255.255.0. So it's already done. So we have to go to our command line interface, CLI. Alright, we're there. So now what we're going to do, we need to no shutdown, no shutdown, then enter. Oh, I forgot, sorry. There's an error. Spelling error. No shutdown. Okay, alright. Enter. We can enter. So now what we need to do, we have to exit. After exiting, now we have to put our IP DHCP pool name. So now what we do, we say IP, DHCP, our pool name, you can put whatever name you want. Then as for me, I'm going to put Emma Tech. That's what I'm going to put. So I enter. The next thing is we are going to put network, and our address will be 192.168 point, 1.1.0. That's our address. Then our mask, obviously, it's 255.255.255.0. That's our mask. We enter. Oh my god. Yeah, the error is here, so let me fix it. Come over here, 255, remove 15, and enter. Correct, that's good. Great. So now the next thing is put our default router. Default router will be 192.168.1.1. That's our default. So the next one is option. Our option will be 150. Then our IP will be the same, still 192.168.1.1. That's our option. Then we exit. After exiting, now we have to use our we are going to configure our telephone. Yeah, of calling, inserting our numbers so that we can be able to call another line. So what we're going to do, we have to put telephony service. All right. So the next thing is we put mask. Our mask, dash mask ePhones. That's our mask. Then what we need to do, we need to put question out. It's going to run from 1 to 45, 1 to 42, maximum form to support. So now the next thing, what we're going to do, we have to put now the number. We put mask ePhones will be I can say 8. I can say 9. I enter. Oh, sorry. At 8. Sorry. Like this. So let me remove. I can say 9. we enter. All right, here we go. Then we have to put now our dialing number, whereby we're going to say mask dash DN, which is dialing number. Dialing number will be 9. Then we enter. Then the IP source of IP source address will be 192.168.1.1. This is port. All right. Incomplete, come on, what's happening? Oh, okay, it's okay, but I can say IP source address 192.168.1.1. Then I put our port, then I put a question mark. So it's going to run from 2000 to 9,999. Okay, what going to do? Going to say I'm going to take 2000. I'll take 2000. Take 2000. Take this one, 2000. So now we put the next thing, auto assign. Auto assign 4 to 6. And again, auto assign 1 to 5. 1 to 5. Then we exit. I have to exit this window. After exiting, now we have to put our services. Our service will be telephone service. Telephone service. Think telephony service. Telephone servers will be the now what we are going to do now, we're going to configure both phones, IP phones. So now the first one, we're going to go with the first one. We put ephone, dialing number 1. Dialing number 1, enter again. As you can see, link 3 up, down, interface ephone 1.1, change state to up. So now we're going to go to the second phone, whereby um, the number will be number. I'm going to go 2000. 2000. Okay, I'll go to 200. That's our number. Then again, we're going to go to if one. Oh, sorry. If one, dialing number 2. That's our dialing number 2. Enter. Then we put our number. And by me, I'm going to put 300. Then accept. Okay. So now what we're going to do, as I said, we're going to configure our switch, whereby we have to put enable. After us enabling, we have to configure terminal. Configure terminal. Then afterwards we put interface. Interface range, so far 0/1. That's going to be interface -4. Okay, then the next thing will be the switch port. Switch port mode access. Then our switch port voice, whereby you can call, when you call, you can to connect the voice, everything. So this one, what we're going to do, it's the switch port for voice, VLAN 1 switch port voice VLAN 1. Yeah. So the next thing is there's one more thing. Let me, for this switch. Okay, it's fine. Before we said our IP phone, this one it's 200, while this one it's 300. Yeah. All right. Okay. Now, as you see, these ones, it's already connected. The upper part is all connected, but you find the red things here. It shows that it's not connected. So we have to connect it by clicking on it. Well, what just happened? Click on it. We need to power it on because it's not powered on. So we have to pick this, the cable we put there. So we go also to the next. As you can see, it's already connected. So we also connect this one, put our cable, fix it there. Then we have to go to our keyhole and check it out. Okay. Okay. I have to reduce this. That's about. Need to arrange it. Okay. Go to the next one. Let's put it small. Let's put it small. Go put it on the top. Reduce it. Then even this one. So as you can see, there are two phones here. There is 300 and there's 200. So what we are going to do, let's start by I want to call 200, the number 200. So what we do is say dial 200 and we see how it works. If it can go through, then that's well and good. Did you see that? It's actually working. And this is how we configure an IP configuration of IP address for phone. So hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you want, hope you have enjoyed the video. Reject this. You see, if you click here, you find it's already connected. It's showing connected here. So disconnect the call. Just come to disconnect. It's already disconnected. This is how we make configuration IP for phone. So hope you have enjoyed the video and see you in the next video.